Have you ever walked past a tiny cafe or a small workshop and thought, how are they making so much in a space this small? The answer isn't massive factories or endless staff. It's smart machines, clever setups, and a bit of creativity. Welcome to Bite-Sized Business. Today, we're diving into 10 compact food and drink machines that are perfect for small shops, rented spaces, or anyone who wants to build real, hands-on production skills. These machines are efficient, reliable, and surprisingly powerful for their size. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to Bite-Sized Business. Let's jump right in. Machine 1. Automatic Donut Making Machine. Imagine golden donuts rolling out one by one, perfectly shaped, sizzling, and irresistible. An automatic donut machine turns a simple dough, flour, sugar, eggs, and milk into uniform rings with almost no effort. It shapes, fries, and releases each donut with consistent precision. The aroma alone draws people in. While the machine handles the hard work, you're free to experiment with glazes, sugars, drizzles, and fillings. Yes, hot oil requires care and regular cleaning is essential, but the payoff is huge. Minimal effort, consistent quality, and endless flavor possibilities. Average price is around $2,400. Machine 2. Automatic Coffee Roaster. Now picture the rich scent of freshly roasted coffee filling the room. A compact coffee roaster lets you take raw green beans and transform them into beautifully roasted coffee, controlling everything from light to dark profiles. As the beans tumble under controlled heat, oils develop and aromas bloom. After roasting, they cool down, ready for grinding or brewing. With proper ventilation and airtight storage, even a small space can support coffee roasting. It takes practice to master consistency, but the process is deeply rewarding, especially when paired with fresh donuts. Average price is about $5,500. Machine 3. Commercial Ice Cream Maker. Let's cool things down. Imagine crafting smooth, creamy ice cream with flavors that change daily. A commercial ice cream maker churns and freezes at the same time, preventing ice crystals and creating that perfect, velvety texture. Milk, cream, sugar, and flavorings go in, and minutes later, you're scooping, molding, or layering desserts. Cleaning between batches is key, and noise can be a factor, but the ability to experiment with classics, sorbets, and mix-ins keeps things exciting. Average price is roughly $1,700. Machine 4. Dumpling Maker. Now we move to savory. Picture neat, perfectly sealed dumplings rolling out effortlessly. A dumpling machine takes prepared dough and fillings, vegetables, meats, or sweet pastes, and forms uniform parcels every time. It reduces repetitive labor, speeds up production, and delivers professional results. Ingredient freshness and cleaning are essential, but the creative potential is huge. Different shapes, flavors, and cuisines all from one compact machine. Average price is around $1,500. Machine 5. Cold Press Juice Extractor. Freshness takes center stage here. A cold-pressed juice extractor slowly crushes and presses fruits and vegetables, preserving nutrients, flavor, and color. What you get is vibrant, nutrient-rich juice made right in front of your customers. It's slower than high-speed juicers, but that's the point. The hands-on process allows creative blending, natural sweetness, and minimal waste. Pulp can even be reused or composted. Average price is approximately $2,200. Machine 6. Automatic Pizza Dough Press. Think of a perfectly round pizza base forming with a single pull of a lever. A dough press flattens dough balls into consistent bases, saving time and ensuring uniform thickness. With simple ingredients, flour, yeast, water, you can focus on sauces, toppings, and flavors instead of manual shaping. It doesn't bake the pizza, but it removes one of the most labor-intensive steps. Average price is about $1,400. Machine 7. Automatic bread making machine. Now imagine fresh bread without the constant monitoring. An automatic bread machine handles mixing, kneading, proofing, and baking, all in one cycle. You can adjust loaf size, crust color, and ingredients, experimenting with herbs, seeds, or specialty flours. Batch sizes are limited, so planning matters, but the consistency and ease make this machine incredibly satisfying to use. Average price is around $9,000. Machine 8. Desktop chocolate tempering machine. Here, that's where precision meets creativity. A chocolate tempering machine melts, cools, and stirs chocolate to achieve that perfect shine and snap. Pour it into molds, add fillings, or create decorative designs. Temperature control and cleaning are critical, but the results, glossy, professional quality chocolate, are worth it. Small batches keep production manageable and creative. Average price is about $2,300. Machine 9. Food dehydrator. Now imagine fresh ingredient slowly transforming into shelf-stable snacks. A food dehydrator removes moisture without cooking, preserving nutrients and intensifying flavor. Fruits, vegetables, herbs, and even meat can become chips, seasonings, or jerky. The process takes time, but the variety and creativity it offers are nearly endless. Average price is roughly $1,400. Machine 10. Milk pasteurizer. Finally, let's talk dairy. A small milk pasteurizer safely heats raw milk to precise temperatures, then cools it quickly, making it safe without additives. From pasteurized milk, you can branch into flavored milk, yogurt, or cheese bases. Hygiene and timing are critical, but the control over freshness and quality adds serious value to a small-scale setup. Average price is around $2,500. And that wraps up our tour of 10 compact, practical food and drink machines. Each one proves that you don't need massive space to build something powerful, just the right tools and a creative mindset. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video and subscribe to Bite-Sized Business.